How to transfer money from Cash App to Bank of America. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to a new screen. From here, scroll down and tap on Linked Banks. Once you're on this screen, tap on Linked Debit Card. It will ask you to enter your debit card details, but instead, tap on No Card option and then tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the list until you find your bank. If you don't see Bank of America listed, search for it manually in the search bar at the top. It will then prompt you to authenticate your Bank of America account. Tap Continue at the bottom, and you'll be taken to the login page. Log in to your Bank of America account as you normally would and follow the on-screen instructions to link your account. Once that's done, return to the Cash App home screen. Tap on the Cash Out option. A pop-up screen will appear where you can enter the amount you want to transfer from Cash App to your Bank of America account. For this example, I'll choose $1 and then tap Cash Out at the bottom of the screen. It will ask you to choose a transfer speed. For this example, I'll choose the standard option and you're done. That's how you transfer money from Cash App to Bank of America. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.